teaching, and I'm going to be bringing a guy that we've known for 6 years, 2016. And before that, let me just quickly give you this nugget. I call it the enemies of business success. Just to, you know, I like success in life. I don't have time to think of negativity, so I just like to eat. It's not good life. You know, I always tell people poverty will never fit me. That's why I do everything to be well. I will be looking like a Filipino if I'm broke, so I don't want to be broke. All right, number one, continue to rate yourself in your previous success. You know, this is the biggest mistake of a lot of networkers, especially, you know, because you did well in money 12 years ago, nobody can reach you again. And you are broke at the moment. How do we even know you broke? By the time they say sign, they say sign me up with your money. You are broke. It's a language of brokers. I don't hammer. I've taught my students it's the language of the poor. Don't ever use that word. We don't hammer. Rich men don't hammer. Rich men do passive income and they understand it and it drops on daily basis like we We don't hammer. You are a broke guy. And I don't see. There are languages you have accepted into your English lexicon that's actually poverty to you without you knowing. Don't take every language up because it's training. We don't hammer. That you can't hear from his mouth. Have you ever heard from a normal mouth? Yet he put $1 billion into Bitcoin. How many months will double this? And yet you won't hear the word say I hammer. So where did you get your own from? Who are you learning from? Who are your masters? Who are your lecturers? Come on. What are you talking about? So stop rating yourself in the past network marketing. I think because of that, you can't even pick up. Opportunity just slip past. Or you're not. I know people send that message too. Let's look into opportunity. They never even reply my message. And I look at the light, just smile. I think this guy will just let me take care for a long time, just have a good time and change his mind. So, Miles Monroe says sometime, your greatest enemy to progress is your immediate past success. It's not even devil now. That's last success you just had. My cousins here told me a story of a one man many years ago. He did a pool and won $1 million. $1 million then was like, I don't know whether it's 10 million or 100 million. So that time. And somehow he ran into the filling station to buy fuel, then it was first scarcity time. And the owner of the filling station was there, called Lobby. And while the argument was there, this young man that just won lottery or a pool of $1 million raised his hand and slapped this multi-millionaire the whole fleet of filling stations. Everybody wanted to slaughter the man. The man said, no, leave him alone. I don't know what to do with him. And control police to pick him up, charge the case to court, let him finish the 1 million. And when you are through, then I cannot answer you, then let's talk. Because that was the end of the story, the man, because 1 million finished back to square one. Don't let your past success be your greatest enemy to your next progress. Are you with me? Make your letters and can't hear words, but be careful. Now, the next one, building your network of sales in place of the right philosophy. The second element to your progress in network marketing is to continue to build your network on sales alone. Don't want to say that's why you sign up, you leave them alone. You don't have the right philosophy to network marketing. What is the right philosophy to network marketing? You build like a CEO. This is your organization. You see what that guy is doing? You spend money on them because that's what business people do. Even around that business you are doing, as the money comes, you don't have to be sleeping with 2 guests in a night in a hotel. No, you put the money back to the business, or the business has stand strong to not feed you. Are you getting that? So, the other person does the business like an employee. You know how the employee does? They do their work. They come to work, in the evening they say, they stretch and they say, today -1, 29 days left. They come tomorrow, 28 days left. It's my MD that is owing me salary. I've already come to whatever not to start. But the business person, of course, it doesn't even have holidays. People don't go back, we work till we go to bed. There is a philosophy in Winners Chapel, and I love so much. They tell you, you don't go to bed because it's night. You go to bed when you are trying to work. Simple as it is. That is the life of a CEO. All right, now, this brings me to bringing this person before we go for our buffet, they say they close 2 o'clock. So in the next 30 minutes, he will be giving us this, like bomb. He happened to be the second person I ever heard the word cryptocurrency from in 2016. And when he was talking, he came from Port Harcourt and was like talking Chinese. I didn't even know what he was saying because I came, just like you come for Zenith now, somebody now talking blockchain, was like blah, blah, blah. Anyway, since I am a student and I love to listen, I just listened up to at the end of the day, I've got no action, just stepped out. Thereafter, most that started leading and all that. He's a well-respected personality in the industries around the nation. Of course, after all of us have our hands bumped in 2016, he stopped anything MLM-related cryptocurrency and went deep into the blockchain. Of course, be doing that, trading and all of that, schooling people, until he developed a company called Plan B Express. And he has not been broke since then. You know you can leave MLM and be broke. To leave MLM to say, okay, this is the right way to go, and you are still doing well, come on, something worth commending. What is this? I have not talked to him for the company approach for 4 years in the past. I came to Paraka and said, well, I came to pay home, you have to come. You will come to see me, but you will not make any more. Just only one word on this. Look into it like a master in the games. Saying, all right, let's go. He will share testimony himself, and we started our conversation. No one will take that time. Just because he's in, he came yesterday to Lagos, the hotel lodge was at GOG. He was attending to leaders who has landed in Lagos as an ego that he is, until the hotel management said, hey guys, why don't you take a hall? Because people are coming and coming and coming. When I got to a level, say, okay, let's quarantine them. Table by table. Okay, you guys stay here. When I'm done with this guy, talk to these guys. I mean, they're already in. And it's the fastest Ruby leader our midst now, not even me, got that testimony. He became a double Ruby leader in 1 week and 3 days. This man was making my gun, and he won't beat. None of the rest they come from. The son became a double Ruby in 1 week and 4 days. The master said, you are, let me teach you, I'm coming for you. 1 week and 3 days. Let me tell you.
Where the man now?
Life is an adventure. Success lost speed. Ladies and gentlemen, with a standing ovation. In the game. I'm blessed to have men like this. Just say, small me say, we'll stand up on that with me. You are not standing on that with me, you stand with me. Thank you so much for being there. I really appreciate working together. Thank you so much. I didn't know you were talking about it. That's why the scripture said, if you see evil and you didn't correct it, and you shy away from it, you are part of evil because you are going to spread. Oh, it's true. So the project you are doing, do they have strategy of entering? Can I tell you something? Crypto have 3 legs: the science, the technology, and the economy. The science is the algorithm. No one of us here will be interested to hear how the encryption and the mathematical algorithm of where this is all the things you are hearing in meeting. There is something behind the meeting. Are we together? Now the technology, which is the blockchain for the record purpose and all of that. But where matters is the economy, which are the users. The more community
and the users around a project, it will shock you. I have never seen phenomena in crypto like what I saw last 2 years. I know some of us we've not recovered from it. 2 years. Some of my community are here. Have you recovered from some of them? What is going on? I saw a coin and I follow. Where you need to stay and be yourself. I'll give you this experience. It's a big dose. I was in a conference and I paid $3,900 or euro thereabout to attend the conference. It was online. I didn't leave my house and I paid money. You say, well, if you do spoil that money, because I know the value I was looking for. And I paid. Do you know what happened? In that conference, we were a group of moderators and a guy was invited. And that guy was invited and was giving us explanation about his project. That's why be very careful. I believe people, but I don't trust people. What will make me to trust you is over time experience with you. And while we were there, the conference was going on. Many projects were exhibited and they were examined. Right? And then after the whole examination, a particular guy, he looks like a gangster, so don't look at people by their appearance. You may miss your destiny helper sometimes. He looked like a gangster. You know how some of funny American guys will speak? Very funny guy, just ask him, now, how is this project going to help this thing? Because at that time, what he was bringing to the table was decentralized, but he was ahead of all the crypto experts at that time. And I challenge you, don't think you have learned anything. Continue learning. I'm sure when we're talking of trading, you were trading, when DeFi comes, it displaced you. NFT come, you put you on one side, you become like a child. The guy was talking decentralized, and that time there was nothing like Uniswap. He was the first person that exposed me to Uniswap. But the way this guy was talking, yes, what is it? He said, man, this fucking shit, this project is not really rubbish. And the moderators that please, you are meant to have a mentor. Always check your mentor. How dynamic is he? If your mentor is not dynamic, after all, now you choose mentor. Not be him choose you. So you just choose him. Or that your mentors will go the work. Are we together, please? I have told you I can't be a slave to someone's philosophy, neither be engaged by someone's ideology. But that conference we sat down. We have looked at those guys as crypto experts. They condemn this guy. Maybe some of you that you take cynic out, somebody is going to say bullshit, just leave him. What I believe in my life is result terminating insult. Anyone who talks nonsense, just leave him. Mark his face. When result call him someone, interest life. Okay? So when he's doing, he say, take away. Are we together? Yeah. After we were done, nobody seems to believe in this guy. But I saw something in him. He wasn't bothered. I'm sure we'll be looking at where suffering is affecting our body and laugh at it. He just said, well, I said, I'm not looking out to win you, but I will show you guys later. Okay. And I took a little money. This kind of confidence is too much. And I'm good. See those crypto top experts. They say that's a scam, a coin that you're going to do, how to swap, and then who is taking the fee? It's not a centralized system. I hope they are showing you safer and different. Nothing like Uniswap that time. And I bought little. But I was afraid to let it open to my people. I said, nah, if I want for make it the only me. That's me. So I didn't say. A year later, I checked where I stayed this coin. It was something else. Now, look at it. The coin was already growing. When we convene again for another conference of the year, some of the experts say, yeah, possibly, even if the coin start moving, yeah, it can get pumped because the guy had collected enough money, he will use it pumping the coin, and once it pumped, it's done. Yours truly. It pumped. Now, what confirmation are you getting now? Is a real confirmation that this guy project was a scam. The first dose and a half after that was that the coin first moved like speed of the light to 100,000% growth. When I look at my wallet, I smile. We're chatting on the conference, we were talking, I told one guy, I said, see, even the scripture says, he called him alone and blessed him. Me now, let me what happened. Thereafter, you know what the guy did? When I now managed to even tell some of my close friends, and you know the confidence was now coming. When I now managed to tell some of my friends, the first price I sold it would have been the best price that many people would have bought it. As at the time I would sell, the coin was like 0.000, like 4 zeros. But finally I would now bring it to that guy. I saw that the total volume of the total amount growth of this coin, you know how much? I saw 3,000,000% growth. 3,000,000% growth. That will have terminated every poverty gene. The DNA of your father and your mother. Okay, so let's go. Penetration is very important in the ecosystem. The next is the tokenomics. The tokenomics. I'm going to be very fast. Loose now. Tokenomics. Write it down. When you get back home, do those research, okay? Tokenomics. Tokenomics. Right? Tokenomics. Token and omics. You know you are in the leadership conference, right? You are here to learn. True, yes? Alright. So if you don't know it, ask your neighbor. What did he say? Tokenomics. Token, then omics. Tokenomics. Now listen. Every coin you are checking, some coins like we have mineable, non-mineable, right? Notice the mineable tokens, right? That is, the distribution will not happen one time, right? It will continue over and over. So please check the tokenomics of any project to see the roadmap, the channels, the distribution. Are there incentive to a particular early adapters, or are there part of the tokens that are given to just one person that will lead to a dump eventually, and all of that? Right? So I may not have all the time to give you all of those parameters. Then you look at adoption style. Adoption style. You can write together adoption style and expansion style. Adoption and expansion style. Okay? So all these factors are meant to be put into consideration for you to check a project. Ladies and gentlemen, I've told you, I don't need to tell you when I start this, what's it called? Scenic. For me, as for me and my wife and my family, we know we are doing scenic. If you like, you join me. If you like, you don't join me. But they're not the 10 blind man sitting in the phone. When you trench, you lose the water. God bless you.
All right, you like what you see? Imagine in 1 month and 3 weeks, somebody has paid about 10,000 euros. You like that money? Yes. Okay. Now let's leave that one. As a people, as a team, we have already done over 155,000 euros sales volume. Clap for yourself. Come on, that is not unusual. Those doing network marketing, all of the phone now that they've done that. Go and ask them. In 3 weeks, in 1 month, no, it doesn't happen. Alright, if you look at it, I'm actually in top 100. About a week ago, I was at 172 rank. I told myself, no, it's not good enough. I need to be top 100. And from top 100, I want to be top 10. Alright? So it simply means I'm already overqualified to attend the program. But guess what? If I sleep, this thing will not be going on 91, 93, 91 to 100. So if this is your rank, you are not top leaders. Are you seeing this? If you are not top 400, don't pack your bag for Dubai this October. Please, I beg you. And don't give me stress over that because it's not in my hand. I'm also working out to become top 10 in the company. So this is already 19. So it's 400 they can take, and this is what they're going to use. So you cannot cheat on this. So it's not a matter of I've already bought my ticket. Don't buy your ticket, otherwise go for vacation and go with your wife or your girlfriend, your boyfriend, so I'm just having a good time.